quite confident in my speed here.
I will not be denied! I'm coming for you! Foot dive!
Hello there! As per usual, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. I wanted to address this in the outro that the Helldivers 2 video is going to be a little bit late due to the server issues it was suffering from, which as of recording this are fixed, but they halted my recording for a while. Rest assured that the video is still on its way. With that being said, thank you for your time and I hope to see you all in the next one. This is Star Savior, signing off.